So that's the question. I have a team of 6 agents. When it comes to lead conversion, follow up is obviously important, but from a team leader perspective, so is accountability. How can we keep our agents accountable? Again, that comes back to your CRM. Does it have reporting? Does it have speed to lead metrics? Does it have does it have activity metrics? Things like that. And that is one reason why something like an AI assistant can be so valuable, because it will work even if your agents aren't. So definitely recommend that. Lead ponds, a lead pond feature is really powerful as well, because it opens up the opportunity to convert leads to each of your agents. So if you have an agent who is a little hungrier, works a little harder, they can go into the lead pond and fish from there, which is especially effective from keeping any agents from stockpiling leads. I think we all have or all know of the agent who asks for leads, wants leads, gets leads, does nothing with the leads. They sit in the new lead pipeline stage. They maybe get one phone call. And so his CRM just becomes a graveyard of dead leads. A lead pond, as well as an occasional audit of that, will help prevent that from happening.